Smile and have a great attitude. I can't say enough about this. You got to smile. People wonder what's going on if you're smiling, okay? This seems to be simple, but it works, okay? There's a saying, fake it till you make it, all right? If you're not feeling good and you're not having a good day, if you just smile and you laugh about it and you keep going, eventually you're gonna start good. You can't hardly feel bad if you're gonna smile and you're laughing, okay? You can't be in a grumpy mood if you're whistling and listening to the music, that makes you happy and smiling. You're just going to eventually become happy, all right? It'll direct your attitude towards a good attitude, a good place for your mind to be, all right? People wonder what you're up to if you're smiling all the time, but that's okay, because that's fun too, all right? So it's kind of a fun just to smile all the time. I like the way I feel when I'm smiling, and it is attractive for people to smile. I've had people tell me, you always smile, you always smile. I said, that's right, I'm always happy. And I had this saying, and it's not my original saying. I had another guy I worked with all the time, and it's, I've never been treated bad a day in my life. The worst thing that's ever been done to me is not as bad as some of the things that's been done to other people that I've witnessed, that I've seen, that I've read about, that I've seen on news and TV. I have been treated really good in my life compared to some people in the world and some of the things that's happened to other people. So think about that. We are a blessed people in America that has a job. Okay. Laughter is just like smiling. It's contagious. Okay, if you smile a lot and you laugh a lot, it tends to be contagious. People like to be around people who are generally happy. Smiling is a gateway to laughter, and if you smile and you have that gateway to laughter, it's just contagious. People like to be around people that are smiling and happy and laughing. That's really a sign of being a good coworker is if you're smiling and laughter and happy and having a good time. The grumpy person is not pleasant and attractive. The happy people that's laughing and smiling, they are attractive and they are friendly. You would definitely approach somebody that's laughing and smiling a whole lot easier than somebody that's this job, they're treating me bad. They give me they give this other guy this good stuff, and they give me the bad stuff, And who wants to be around that, So man, I got a good job today, I got a good repair today, man. I got that one done today. Man, this is awesome. I really like what I did today. I got that one fixed, I won, woohoo. Just be happy, And I would just randomly, shout, woohoo, in the shop, and everybody knew that it was me, and they'd just go around and everybody'd rally and just go, woo, woo, and everybody just have a good time, it's just something. And I'd go around and I'd sing, I love my job, and it was just fun, and just people liked it. Just set everything off to be a little bit better, a little bit higher tempo, and you can't sing and not be in a good mood and laugh a little bit. So I'd make up songs, and just do things that make you smile and laugh. Laugh at yourself. If you're having a bad time or you're having struggling with something, just laugh at it, and smile about it, and think about it. This is not the worst that could happen. This is not a horrible situation. We're blessed. We got a job. We got an essential job, and we're getting paid to do stuff that a lot of people don't get that opportunity. So remember that. Smile, be happy, laugh, tell jokes if you can, and be in a good mood. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.